Hey everyone, good afternoon. I'm Bria and I'm a local truck driver with Amazon in the Bay Area, California. Today I'm going to take you on my route and show you how I drop and hook trailers. I have 5 stops today, which includes 4 Amazon facilities and 1 airport live load. Right now I just arrived at the truck yard and I'm going to go pick up my truck for the day. Let's go. Since I'm starting my shift now, I'm going to open the Amazon Relay app on my phone. Next, I'm going to go to the top right corner where the speedometer is. And on the first box, I'm going to click on the plus sign on the right side and change my status to on duty. At this point, I've already done my pre-trip inspection, and since this is an ELD, I have to report the pre-trip inspection. I'm gonna scroll down and click on vehicle inspection and click the right arrow and click tractor. Then I'm gonna type in the license plate of the tractor that I'm using. Then I'm gonna double check that everything is good. Scroll all the way down and click complete inspection. Sign the inspection report, submit inspection, and that's gonna take you back. Now I'm going to click resume work. It's gonna ask you to select what vehicle you're using. And then now I'm just gonna review the stops I'm going to. After I've selected my vehicle, I'm gonna scroll down and click on no because I am bobtail right now. I need to go pick up a trailer, so I am not bringing an empty trailer. And that's it, I'm good to go. I just got to my first stop right now, but it seems like there's a line, so might have to wait a little bit. Once you get to the guard shack, they're gonna ask you for the last 4 numbers of the load ID, which you can see on the Relay app, and then they're gonna give you a place to pick up your trailer or drop off your trailer. In this case, I'm picking up an empty trailer and I have to take it to the airport. It's about 20 minutes later and I barely made it to the front of the line. Sometimes it's like this. Sometimes it's, most of the time it's not, but sometimes the trucks, they start building up. Hello? Yeah, picking up an empty. Yeah, MXXQ. All right, 351. Thank you. Before I pick up my trailer, it's this one right here, but I'm gonna check that the trailer number matches the one that I have on my Relay app. So you never want to grab the wrong trailer. I'm gonna do a tug test. So I'm gonna double check first to make sure that it's empty. Just gonna go to the back and it's an empty. So I'm gonna do my pre-trip, check all the tires and everything, light test, all that, and finish hooking up to it. That way I can get out of here. what they have is like a camera just to check that you have the right trailer, basically. If it's good to go, they're gonna give you a thumbs up, and that's when you can leave. All right, I got the thumbs up. Now we can go. I just got to the airport, and what I was expecting, according to my Relay app, was to drop this trailer, which isn't empty, and get it live loaded and take the same trailer to my third stop. But I just checked in right now, and they said I could just drop this empty and pick up another trailer, so that saves me a lot of time. I'm gonna go open my doors right now, dock this trailer, and grab the next one after. So yeah. On this truck that I have right now, which is a Volvo, to release the trailer from the fifth wheel, you just press this, hold it down, and we're detached. I just checked into my third stop, and they want me to park in a weird space. It's a little bit tight, not the actual parking space itself, but the space in front of it. So the parking space is there, but over there's a curb, so I can't really do my 45 setup. But there is some space up there, so I'm gonna have to use that to park here. Let's see how it goes. I was able to park it in 3 pull-ups because it was a really tight space, like I said. Well, it was a weird setup. It took 3 pull-ups for me to get it in, but I couldn't really take a video of like how I did it because there was a hostler like really waiting to grab my trailer. So I just dropped it and I left. Now I gotta drive 100 miles to my next destination, so it'll be a long drive. But yeah, I'm about to check out of this facility. I just got to my 4th stop, 4 out of 5. Took me about 2.5 hours to get here. My trailer is not ready, so again, I have to wait. It's 8:30 right now, and my departure time is 9:30, so I shouldn't be here for that long. Well, it wasn't too long ago when I said that my trailer wasn't ready. Now it's ready, so I'm going to go pick it up. We gotta pick it up on dock door 121, I believe. my trailer is too high, and the way that I can see that, see right there, there is a gap between the fifth wheel and the trailer apron right before the kingpin. So what I want to do is I gotta lower it down. So now you can see there's no more gap. So now I can hook to the trailer. Yeah, I can cut it. All right, thank you. I just got to my last stop, stop number 5, and they want me to dock on this dock door. Now I'm returning to the truck yard to return my truck. Back on the Relay app, the first thing I'm gonna do is do my post-trip inspection. I'm going to click on Vehicle Inspection, scroll all the way down, and complete inspection. That's gonna take me back to the screen, and now I'm going to click where it says on duty on the very top. Now I'm going to put myself off duty now that I'm done. On the top left hand corner, I'm gonna click the 3 lines. All the way at the bottom it says sign out, and I'm done. Okay, I am finally done. I just got back to my car. I know it's really dark and it's late, but I'm just getting off of work now. I dropped my last trailer, I fueled, and I came back to drop off my truck, and I signed out of Relay, and now I'm about to go home, and I have to work tomorrow. That will be my 3rd day. So yeah, that's what a typical route looks like for me. It could be anywhere between 2 and 300 miles, and it's about a 12 to 14 hour shift, but it's only 3 days a week, so kind of cool. I really enjoyed taking you guys on my route today. I feel like a lot of people don't get to see the daily route of a local driver, so I hope you enjoyed the videos. I'm about to go home now and finally get some rest. I am tired. So yeah, have a good night. I hope to see you in the next video.